Alright guys, this is to my HVAC community. I'm here on my other call and got here and I immediately turned the fan on and the air handler fan came on, but the compressor looks like it's not on. Alright guys, so I'm here right now at the call. Fan is on, but the compressor is not on. So let's open her up and see what's going on. See what's going on here. So it looks like famous Amanda. Famous Amanda. Kind of hard with one hand. Alright, I would like to give a shout out to my boy Steve Lav, because I am also a part of the Blue Man or the Blue Glove crew or group. But I love these gloves, man. If it wasn't for his videos on these gloves, on the plastic gloves, I would never have put them on. But I've been doing these plastic gloves for a minute, and they definitely keep my hands clean. Anyway, what I'm gonna do here is I'm gonna check her out. I'm gonna check out this do-run cap. See if it's good. Yeah, we got a bad capacitor. I can tell by the humming, the famous humming. Let me shut this power off. You hear that humming, huh? That's the famous hum. Famous hum. Alright, so we're gonna disengage it. There we go, guys. Feel this out. This is for hermetic side. Where can I put her at? Alright guys, I'm gonna go to common. Let's see, what do we have? 0, guys. 0. Common to hermetic. So it looks like we have a bad dew cap. So I'm going to show you guys double take. I'm gonna change this capacitor out. I'll be right back, guys. Alright guys, we got the new capacitor on. I just wired it back up, and let's turn her on. Time delay. Alright, cool. Just gotta wait for a little bit. She got power. Perfect. First clicked on. And it's turning. Let's check the pressures. About 85 degrees in the house, y'all. So this is normal. Crazy how they got the circuit boards though, huh? Anyway, looks like she's on. Pressures are on. And wait till it settles down. Alright guys, hope you like this video. And this is to my HVAC community. You guys have a good one. And talk to you later, man.